The cider program at WSU Mount Vernon recently received a donation of an over-the-row mechanical tree fruit harvester. The Oxbo Korvan 930 harvester was modified by Ken Engel of Left Foot Charlie Cider in Michigan to harvest cider apples. The modified harvester is designed for high-density tree fruit orchards on dwarfing rootstock using slender spindle architecture training systems, with tree height of 10 feet and canopy width of just less than 3 feet. This harvester requires a tractor with hydraulic control circuits and a 3-point PTO to tow the harvester. Important considerations for planning an orchard to accommodate this harvester include row spacing of at least 12 feet to accommodate the width of the tractor being used to pull the harvester, trellis posts no more than 10 feet tall, at least 40 feet of headland to turn around at both ends of each row, tree canopies pruned to no more than 32 inches wide. A narrow canopy and sturdy branches are preferred. Access to pressing equipment or a processing facility that can press the fruit within 24 to 48 hours, or cold storage, as bruising may cause fruit to deteriorate after a few days. Here you can see that the beater arms remove fruit from the trees. Fruit drops onto the catching plates, is conveyed up and out to the back of the harvester, and collected into crates. It takes at least 30 feet to line up the harvester straight on the row and offset the angle of the harvester correctly behind the tractor so that it runs smoothly over the trees. It is essential to drive very straight over the tree rows, as otherwise the narrow inside back end of the harvester can break larger tree limbs. Trees with a weak graft union can be broken by the harvester. Given these risks, practice in a border row to perfect the harvester angle behind the tractor and straight driving. Weak graft and scion combinations should be watched carefully, or these trees should not be mechanically harvested. Overall, data from our preliminary trial at WSU Mount Vernon showed 62 to 100% picked fruit with the harvester. The major loss we saw was due to fruit bouncing off the front of the machine. We will make a simple modification to reduce this loss, such as attaching a screen over the front of the harvester. Our research at WSU Mount Vernon next year will evaluate plant growth regulator effects on reducing pre-harvest fruit drop, as well as loosening stems to increase harvest efficiency.